Hi students, I am back again. I wanted to show you how to insert your photo of weathering into the Weathering and Erosion PBL. So if you perhaps lost the photos or you didn't get the photos that we took at school, you are more than welcome to go outside, whether at your house or apartment, and find examples of weathering and erosion where you live. And when you're ready to put in those photos and type everything out, please make sure that it's all in complete sentences. So your ideas need to be in complete sentences. Your possible reason for weathering needs to be in complete sentences. Physical or chemical, you can just type that out. And then location, it could be outside of my house on the ditch or at the road, or just something like that to describe where exactly that photo was taken. Okay, and so in order to insert your photo, okay, you have to go up to the top where it says Insert, and you click on Picture, okay? You need to insert your picture from your device. So if you took the picture on your device, then you will click on this. I prefer you take your own pictures rather than finding a picture on the internet, because I think it's important for us to be able to see examples of weathering erosion right near our house, because all we have to do is go outside to find it. So whenever you're ready to add your picture, you need to choose your file, and obviously yours is going to look a little bit different than mine because you have a Chromebook and I don't, but you will click on that picture, whatever it may be, and you will click Open, and then you will click Insert. And then there is the picture in the document. And you don't have to worry about trying to make it bigger or anything like that. I can do that if I want to be able to look at your photo a little bit better. Okay? And then you can fill in all of the rest of the information on there. Please make sure that you look at the rubric so you know what everything is worth as far as points goes, so that you can make sure that this project is a great grade booster for you all. Okay? Please let me know if you have any other questions. Have a good day. Bye.